Welcome back, seniors. Today is day 25 of our powerful 200-day journey to stronger legs, better balance, and a healthier life. Stay with me. Your legs will thank you. Exercise number 1, chair sit to stand. Exercise number 1 is the chair sit to stand movement that strengthens your thighs, hips, and core. Begin by placing a sturdy chair behind you, with your feet flat on the floor and shoulder width apart. Keep your knees aligned over your toes and keep your back straight. Lower yourself slowly to sit, then press through your heels to stand tall again. Breathe in as you sit and breathe out as you stand. Follow my count and move with control. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Great effort. Stay proud because every repetition builds strength, confidence, and balance. You are improving daily, and this consistent practice supports safer walking and easier daily tasks. Keep going with belief. Exercise number 2, seated knee raises. Sit tall on a steady chair with your back straight, feet flat, and hands resting gently on the sides for balance. Raise one knee toward your chest. Lower it with control, then raise the other knee. Keep breathing smoothly and move at a comfortable pace. This movement strengthens hips, improves circulation, and supports daily walking. Follow my voice and stay focused through every repetition. How are you feeling right now? I want to know your energy, comfort, and progress. Tell me proudly in the comments which country you are watching from, because our senior community is growing worldwide. Now follow my slow and clear count. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You are doing excellent work. Exercise number 3, leg extensions, right and left. Lift your right leg forward from a seated position and control the extension. Share this video with senior friends. Switch sides and repeat fully with strong coaching motivation for success. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now change to your left leg and match the same controlled height and pace. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Exercise number 4, standing calf raises. Stand tall behind your sturdy chair and place both hands lightly on the backrest for balance and safety. Keep your feet hip-width apart and point them straight ahead. Slowly rise up on your toes until you feel your calf muscles engage, then lower your heels with full control. Maintain steady breathing and smooth movement from start to finish. Follow my count and finish strong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You are almost there, and your effort truly matters today. Stay confident and keep your shoulders relaxed while focusing on perfect form. If you completed all repetitions today, comment below and celebrate your progress proudly, because this routine supports balance, strength, and mobility. Great job, seniors! Great job, seniors! You just finished day 25. Comment below if you completed all 4 exercises. Share this video with 5 to 7 senior friends so they can exercise with you. See you tomorrow for day 26. Stay active and stay proud.